Ladies and gentlemen, introducing now the JYW Heavyweight Champion, Joezer the Bulldozer.
My music should be louder. No, you don't deserve that. Cut my music. Thank you. What?
You're hurt.
So, I can still wrestle.
Not feeling so good?
Show them the picture. It's a bear holding a balloon.
And it reads, roses are red, violets are blue. You're stripped of the title, so go home, you tool.
You stand over there, I'll give it to you.
Get better quickly, or you're fired. General Manager Katie.
Get out of the ring. I'll be having the company doctors examine you for insurance reasons.
You don't have insurance.
I want proof of this. In place of the championship match, since I'm down a champion, I've decided that we're gonna change things up a bit. We're gonna have a battle royale.
Okay, if I sit here and watch.
I suppose you can watch. That's about all you can do now. Getting hurt was not part of your contract. We might have to rethink your terms. Do everything myself.
Can I keep that card? Yeah.
Win this title myself.